Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.12.7 on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily start writing Python program within our Python idle shell. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues, you can always ask me on comment sections, and I'm also on Instagram now. So you can also ask me over there with all of your doubts, with screenshots and everything. I'm always there to help you. So now to install Python, you first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here Python download and hit enter. So that's going to show you this www.python.org as a first search result. So to click on this download Python and it's going to redirect to the official site of python.org/download page. So this link I'm going to provide right in our description. So once you are here, you will see that latest version of Python, that is version 3.12.7, is available to download. So for Windows, you need to just simply click on this download button and immediately it's going to start downloading your Python. If you are using some other operating system like Linux or macOS, that also you can do. You need to just simply click on all these different links. So for Windows, you can see this file is already downloaded. Just simply click on the exe and there you go. Our Python setup wizard is rightly opened over here. So let's first minimize our browser, and here I need to check both these two options, user admin privileges and Python exe2 path, and then you need to click on custom installation. So here all different options you need to keep it default and you need to click on next. Here under advanced options you need to select this install Python 3.12 for all users, so that's going to automatically set your Python path, and everything is fine now. Just simply click on install. And it's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and there you go. You can see that our Python setup is rightly started. So it will take a couple of minutes. So by the time it gets installed, I'll request you please to subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. Here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos. So that's going to really help you, and it's going to really motivate me as well to make more and more these kind of videos. And also if you're interested, you can also subscribe our Geeky Script vlogging channel. So let's wait for some time over here. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Python setup was successful. So you can just simply click on close now. And now to verify whether Python is successfully installed or not, you need to go to search and type cmd. So that's going to show you this command prompt over here. Just open the command prompt, and here if you just simply type Python and hit enter, you will see that our latest version of Python, which is 3.12.7, is successfully installed, and it is showing that prompt on our command prompt. So here if you type something like print hello and hit enter, we're going to get the output over here. Similarly, if you want to open our Python idle, just go to search and type idle. That will show you idle over here. Just open that Python idle shell. That's going to open our Python idle shell over here, 3.12.7. Here also you can write the same thing. You can do something like print hi, let's say this time, and hit enter. You are going to get that output. You can also create a new file, and you can write your program over here. So let's assign a couple of value like a equal to 8 and let's say b equal to 4, and let's say you want to do summation of these two numbers. So that is a plus b. Alright, so that's going to show you 8 plus 4, which is 12 on our console as an output. First go to file, click on save as, and let's save the file on our desktop by giving the file name as prog.py and hit enter. So that's going to save our file. Now if you go to run and click on run module, it's going to show you the output 12 that is coming from our program that we have written, 8 plus 4, which is 12. Here we are doing a plus b, so that output 12 is coming on our Python idle shell. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Python. You can start working on your Python assignments, and I also highly recommend you please do install PyCharm as well. I have made a dedicated video for that as well. You can also watch that video and install PyCharm. That's going to really give you a very good user interface, and you will be really enjoying Python programming. So do watch that video as well, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Syntax along with Geeky Script vlogging channel. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.